Hello. Just having the awesome nutritional breakfast of bologna on toast. But that's what struck me at the moment. But here's my 2 cents worth for this situation. When your toast pops up, it's nice and warm, and you make it ooey and gooey with your melted butter and everything. I'm just going to butter one piece since I'm having bologna. But I want a little bit of butter in there. Anyway, when your toast pops up, you're done with it. Done with the toaster. Unplug it. Many toasters still pull a little bit of energy, a little bit of power. So it's still making your meter go around. Maybe very small. But hey, just unplug it when it's not in use. Besides, you don't want it left out on your counter anyway. It's not pretty. So you unplug it. And it's a little bit warm, but it has space in there. It's a metal cabinet. But unplug it. Done using it, unplug it. And enjoy your toast. That's my 2 cents worth.